Janpad. Around 1000 BC, the early states of different groups were established in the Punjab and in the area of the river Ganga, which was called Janpad. Janpad means an area or a place of human habitation. The word Janpad is used in the sense of state. Janpad was a very special state system from the Rigvedic tribal society. It includes different groups like Kuru, Panchal, etc. In the early days, small states were known as Janpads and large states as Mahajanpads. Around the 6th century, about 16 Mahajanpads had been found in India. Some of these Mahajanpads were republics, while some were monarchy type of states. These Mahajanpads are outlined in the following table. 16 Mahajanpads. The first Mahajanpad was Ang, which is presently located in East Bihar. Its capital was Champa. The second Mahajanpad was Vajji, whose present location is in North Bihar. It had Vaishali as its capital. The third Mahajanpad was Malla, whose present location is the region around Gorakhpur. Its capital was Kushinara. The fourth Mahajanpad was Kashi, which is now located in Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Its capital was Varanasi. The fifth Mahajanpad was Magad, which is now located in South Bihar. Its capital was Girivraj or Rajgrih. The sixth Mahajanpad was Koshal, now located in Awadh in Uttar Pradesh. Its capital was Shravasti, Ayodhya. The seventh Mahajanpad was Vatsa, whose present location is the region around Allahabad. Its capital was Kaushambi. The eighth Mahajanpad was Chedi, whose present location is the region between the Yamuna and the Narmada. Suktimati was its capital. The ninth Mahajanpad was Panchal, whose present location is Badayun, the region around Bareilly. Its capital was Ahichhatra Kampilyam. The 10th Mahajanpad was Sursen, Mathura, whose present location is the region near Mathura in Uttar Pradesh. It had Mathura as its capital. The 11th Mahajanpad was Kuru, whose present location is in the region around Delhi and Meerut. It had Indraprasth as its capital. The 12th Mahajanpad was Ashmak, whose present location is on the banks of the river Godavari. Podanya was its capital. The 13th Mahajanpad was Avanti, whose present location is the Malwa region. Its capital was Ujjain. The 14th Mahajanpad was Matsya, whose present location is in the region near Jaipur in Rajasthan. Viratnagar was its capital. The 15th Mahajanpad, Gandhar, whose present location is the region around Peshawar and Rawalpindi, had Takshashila as its capital. The 16th Mahajanpad, Kamboj, whose present location is the region around southwestern Kashmir, had Rajpur as its capital. According to the book Anguttar Nikaya, written in Pali language, there were 16 Mahajanpads in the pre-Vedic period.